Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is McKenna and today I'm going to be showing you how I did this purple eye look using the new Jeffree Star Bloodlust palette. Before we get started, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on that notification bell so you get notified every time I post a video. To start off this look today, I'm priming my face with the MAC Prep and Prime Natural Radiance Base. My second step is making sure I lay down a really good base for my eyes using this eyeshadow primer by Milani. Now I'm going in with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the shades Pure White and Fair Rose. I 10 out of 10 recommend this. It's so hydrating, and for the price, it's so worth it. If you haven't already seen my first video, I do an in-depth tutorial on how I do my brows. Today I'm doing the same process but a little more snatched. Like I said, snatched. Now that I've got a good base going, it's time for my eyes. The first shade I'm most graciously using today is Your Majesty on this big fluffy blending brush. Now I'm using Vivid Mood as a transition shade and smoking that out with a smaller blending brush. Now for the most complicated shade in the palette, Blood Queen always gives me issues, but I must say today I had success. I found that when I use Blood Queen, I have to slowly build it up and pack it and then blend it out, or else I'll get like gross patches everywhere. A million years later, I'm ready to darken her up using Dungeon. I'm just using an angled brush and dragging Dungeon into my crease to add a little bit more depth. On a little packing brush, I'm now taking a little bit of Vile Serpent and slowly building her up on my lid and then blending it out. I suggest when you're using deep colors like Vile Serpent, keep in mind slow and steady wins the race and building is key. Now using a little more of the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the white shade, I'm taking a tiny concealer brush and cutting my crease. If you're wondering what I'm doing with my eye right now, this is my #1 trick for keeping your cut crease natural with your eye so you don't get any of that ugly creasing. Just put a little bit of concealer on your lash line and roll your eyes up. This will create a perfect outline to where you should fill in your crease. Now I'm grabbing Take the Crown on a concealer brush and patting that on my wet lid. I'm again going in with a Vile Serpent on a small packing brush and blending the two shades together so they're more seamless and blended. To add a little cute hue of pink, I'm popping Beauty Sleep into my inner lid. And now to tie the pink together, I'm taking my clean finger, that's right, clean, wash your hands people, and I'm just slowly building that up into my outer V. Now that my lids are done, before I finish my eyes completely, I'm gonna go ahead and conceal underneath my eyes again using the Camo Concealer. I'm not kidding, this stuff is not hyped up enough. I'm now just setting that with this YC Collection translucent powder on a fluffy brush. Now that my under eyes are all concealed, I'm going to go ahead and finish my eye look and blend all of these shades on my lid down to my lash line. Yay, my eyeshadow is done. Now for my face. Again, if you haven't watched my first video, go watch it right now. I will add a link right now. I'm just repeating the same process for my face makeup that I did in the first video, except a few things. Today I'm using the Betty Boop Blush Trio. I got this in my Ipsy bag, so I don't know if you can actually buy it like retail price, but I will try to add a link in the description. The mascara I'm using is Damn Girl by Too Faced, and I must admit it makes me go damn girl, it is that good. Today I'm using these lashes I got off of Amazon. My channel is basically turning into what can I buy on Amazon that works better than name brands, and these lashes are really the tea. Anyway, here's what I do to my lashes before I even put them on. I let them sit like this for a couple minutes, and once I'm ready to put glue on them, they're all nice and curved like this, so they apply so much easier. Now I'm highlighting using a wet jewel in the palette. I couldn't find a nude liner, so I ended up using this ugly taupe color. I'm going over that with this purple shade because the consistency of the first lipstick was not it. Now I'm just popping on this cute purple metallic lip gloss from Miss A. Now this annoying voiceover is done. Peace! Alright, I'm back with the finished look. If you guys enjoyed this video, go hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notification bell so you get notified every time I post a video. You guys enjoy the rest of your day and stay happy and healthy. Bye!